Ever wondered how electrons arrange themselves in atoms? A vibrant animation reveals atoms dancing with energy. Today, we embark on a dynamic journey into electron configurations, unlocking the secrets behind atomic structure. Electrons follow strict rules to occupy orbitals methodically. The Aufbau principle guides electrons to fill orbitals with the lowest available energy. Meanwhile, the Pauli exclusion principle mandates that no two electrons share identical quantum states, ensuring each orbital holds only 2 electrons. Additionally, Hund's rule explains how electrons fill degenerate orbitals singly before pairing, minimizing repulsion. Consider oxygen, whose configuration, 2s with 2p, displays perfect order. Sodium follows suit with Ne3s, combining a noble gas core with a single outer electron. Iron's arrangement, Ar3d4s², and chlorine's, A3s3p, illustrate complex yet logical progressions. Calcium, with configuration R4s², further emphasizes the predictable beauty of electron placement. Dynamic visuals bring these concepts to life, turning complexity into clarity and inspiring curiosity. Embrace this systematic approach and celebrate the fascinating order of atoms. Explore the fascinating world of electron configurations and deepen your understanding of atomic structure. Master these principles to unlock the unseen magic of every atom around you. Discover, learn, and transform your chemistry journey.